Which tech stack is good for creating or evolving AI products? How do you choose it? Watch this video to the end and you'll discover what tools we use at Linkup Studio to create AI solutions, how each of those technologies works, and what values such technologies brings to businesses and developers. I am Andriy Sambir from Linkup Studio, and let's get into details. Before choosing the tech stack, you need to consider a few things. And the very first of them is the type of your personality as an owner or product manager, or other person who is the position of the decision maker. Some people are well versed in the technologies and all these kinds of areas. Others are better at creativity, and getting on it with the tech words is difficult for them. If you are the person with a technical background, you can properly learn the technologies and their advantages, and then decide on your own or with other technical experts. If you are not, then the best way would to find outsource and technical development partner who would be an expert in the field. Such a partner has to be able to explain all of the essential details to you, so you can get the general ideas without the feeling you are not on your plate. When selecting a tech stack for your AI product, you should also consider your exact product requirements. That includes understanding the nature and scope of your AI project. For instance, if your project involves image processing, then you would need tools like OpenCV and TensorFlow. If you also require data analysis, then Python and its libraries are needed as well. Next is scalability. Decide on the current or future growth of AI application. Cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer scalability, which is important as your user base grows and data processing needs increase. These platforms provide the flexibility to scale your resources up or down based on demand, which helps to ensure that your solution remains efficient and cost-effective. The very important point: technical requirements. For complex algorithms and machine learning models, you may need robust computational power and custom server to let it all work. Another consideration is integration capabilities. Make sure that your tech stack seamlessly integrates with existing systems and workflows. This involves checking the compatibility of new tools with your current infrastructure and the ease of integrating various data sources and APIs. Then there is expertise availability. When choosing a technology, you want to make sure that skilled professionals are familiar with it. At Linkup Studio, we are experts in the technologies we operate with. In each project, we implement them using the best practices and the latest available AI technologies. The very important thing to keep in mind is budget constraints. Sometimes enthusiasm and passion for creating something great rise at the cost of development and maintenance for all of the tools and technologies. Such expenditure can even harm business if not executed wisely. For instance, model training is quite expensive of any cloud, and it's worth considering this before going into development. Last but not least, security and compliance. If your AI product deals with this sensitive data of users, then your tech stack must adhere to industry standards for data security and privacy. That is particularly important in sectors like healthcare and finance. We discussed the topic of navigating legal regulations of AI software in details in this video. In this part of our talk, I'll discuss the tech stack we use at Linkup Studio. So, Python. Probably everyone has heard of it. This tool stands for the forefront of AI development due to its simplicity and a vast array of libraries. It's perfect for everything from quick script writing to developing complex AI algorithms. Python flexibility is crucial for creating tailored solutions across various industries. We use PyTorch for research and experimentation with dynamic computing graphs. These tools allow us to make on-the-fly adjustment. TensorFlow offers a stable and scalable framework designed for a large-scale and efficient production use. Together, these last two technologies help us develop versatile and custom AI solutions from healthcare diagnosis to financial forecasting. Keras is built on TensorFlow. It simplifies the process of building deep learning models. I explain about deep learning in detail in this video. Keras fits our needs perfectly when we are looking to move from a concept to a functional model as soon as possible. Also, it is a great tool for prototyping and rapid development. Next, OpenCV. It is essential for computer vision tasks. This technology supports real-time image processing and analysis. Its applications range from facial recognition for security to analyzing customer behavior in retail. OpenCV also helps convert visual data into meaningful and actionable insights. We also use scikit-learn, which offers us a wide range of tools for machine learning. It is indispensable for predictive analytics. Pandas assist us in data manipulation and preparation for making machine learning models. It's really difficult to decide on which tech stack you need to use, especially if you are not spend your whole life developing AI products. That's why our technical architect at Linkup Studio can offer his expertise and assist you in that task. Drop us a line. We are moving on to cloud services. Azure and AWS stand as comprehensive platforms for AI development which offer more than just cloud storage and computing. They are useful for creating AI solutions like neural languages processing and machine learning systems. Azure Cognitive Service and Amazon Web Services are crucial for developing such apps containing sentimental analysis, automated customer services chatbots, speech recognition, and more. These platforms would be helpful for businesses that aim to improve customer experience and automate their operations. Google Cloud AI provides advanced machine learning services and APIs. It's especially effective for using pre-trained models in tasks like image recognition and language translation. This technology significantly speeds up time for development. DevOps technologies are needed for streamlined development, testing, and finally deployment of software. It is needed for any type of digital solution, but it's particularly used for AI and ML applications. So we use Kubernetes for the management and deployment of containerized applications. It provides consistent environment across development, testing, and production, and reduces software bugs and accelerates deployment processes. We use custom server to meet computational needs for faster and more efficient training of extensive deep learning models. Such servers can be optimized for high-performance computing and provide the processing power required for complex calculations and large datasets, which are typical in AI development. Our team finds it very important to process, analyze, and visualize large datasets to help clients' businesses get strategic advantages. So we use BigQueries and Databricks for quick processing and interpretation of big data to identify patterns and make predictions in AI applications. Grafana and TableAU software are both focused on data visualization. They provide tools to create clear, understandable dashboards and charts from complex datasets. This makes it easy to analyze and derive insights from data, which is valuable for informed decision-making. These are some of the tools and technologies that we choose to deliver value and efficiency in AI solutions for our service customers and their product users. If you want to know which technologies you need to choose for your product and be sure that this decision will benefit you, reach out to Linkup Studio and get a free consultation with an expert in AI technologies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and technology. Bye!